How to use Telegram without a phone number. Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to use Telegram without a phone number. First, open the Telegram app on your mobile phone. When you launch it for the first time, you will see a Start Message or Start Messaging button. Then, tap on this button to begin the account creation process. Telegram will then prompt you to enter your phone number, which is typically used to verify your account. If you prefer not to use your phone number, do not worry. You can use a virtual phone number instead. To do this, open your mobile browser and search for free virtual phone number. You will find several websites that offer temporary numbers for verification purposes. Open one of these sites. Usually, the second search result works fine, and scroll down to view the available numbers. Once you find a number you want to use, select it and open it to see the verification details. The website will often generate a temporary code or show messages that arrive at that number. Now, copy this virtual number carefully. Then, return to the Telegram app and paste the virtual number into the phone number field. Make sure to also select your country from the drop-down menu before continuing. Once your account is set up, you can start adding contacts, joining groups, and exploring channels safely. This method ensures that even if your number is temporary, you can enjoy all of Telegram's features without compromising your personal information. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.